This is question number 9 of quiz 5. So for chapter 5, Jack asked Jill to marry him, and she has accepted under one condition. Jack must buy her a new $350,000 Rolls-Royce Phantom. So that's a very expensive marriage condition. Jack currently has $44,900 that he may invest. He has found a mutual fund with an expected annual return of 5.7% in which he will place the money. How long will it take Jack to win Jill's hand in marriage? Wow, if it takes forever, then we won't get married. So basically this question is asking us to solve for that n, which will make the future value equals the compounded present value, right? So the first step is to put all the information given into its proper place. So PV here is 44,900, right? You can see that I already copied the numbers. Future value equals 350,000 because that's what Jack wants to have sometime in the future. Actually, we're trying to solve out that duration of that time in order to reach this goal, 350,000. And the interest rate is also given 5.7%. So it's asking us to solve out n, right? So how do we solve out n? We know the relationship between the future value and the present value, right? Future value equals present value times 1 plus interest rate raised to the power of n. So then from this we can simply divide both sides by present value and then switch sides. Then we get 1 plus interest rate raised to the power of n equals future value divided by present value. So then how can we solve out n? We can solve out n by, you can take logarithm, right? One way you can do that is to take logarithm on both sides. So when you take the logarithm of a power function, then the power of that power function will become the multiplier. So that becomes logarithm of 1 plus r, and that equals right hand side also take logarithm, right? So then you can now you can divide both sides by logarithm of 1 plus r, and then you can solve out this future value, this n. So that's basically how you can do this. So once we have this idea, then we can just directly plug in the number. So this will be log, that's also a function in Excel, future value divided by present value, and then log 1 plus interest rate. So this will be 37, right? And there's some rounding issue because we take the logarithm. So another way we can solve out this issue, probably get an even closer answer, is to use the other way is to use the MPER function in Excel. This is once you open this, you can see that it returns the number of periods for an investment based on periodic constant payments and a constant interest rate. So let's say we have basically the rate, right? We have the interest rate, and then the payment here is actually referring to the annuity payment. Since we don't have annuity here, right? Annuity means a constant stream of cash flows for a limited amount of periods, right? So and then we don't have that because we only have single cash flows in this case. So present value, that's right here, and future value. You notice that I have already added a negative sign in front of this because that's how Excel will handle the future value versus present value. So they will have to be in opposite signs. So if you choose to put present value as a positive number, then you have to take the future value as a negative number, right? Or you can switch signs. You can make the present value to be a negative number, then you have to make the future value to be a positive number. So then let's see, actually in this case you can see both will give us the same answer, okay, 37. So round that, because if you go back and check, it's round to 1 decimal. Oh, actually we have to follow that. Yeah, follow that will give us the same answer, right? 1 decimal place, which is this. So now let's check our answer. Correct.